Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to clone issue in Jira. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in to your account using your credentials. And if this is your first time here in Jira, you might want to click on the create an account button. And from here, you can simplify the process by continuing with your Google account, Microsoft account, Apple, or Slack. And once you have done that, now once you are here on your dashboard, cloning an issue in Jira is a straightforward process. It's very easy, and all you're gonna do is in the left side panel of your dashboard, as you can see, you can directly go to the issue that you want to clone in your Jira project. All right, because once you access the issue actions menu, once you're on that page, you should see an ellipsis or three dots or a more button at the top right corner of the issue detail view, and click to reveal the actions menu right here. But since we don't have an issue yet, why not we create one for this video? Now if you don't have an issue yet, you can see the button here, the blue button. That's where you need to go. Okay, click on that, and you need to put as much as details as you need to, like, and obviously click on create right here. And once you've done that, click on the issue itself again, click on this one, and as you can see the ellipsis right here, click on that and hover down to the clone part. There you go. It's a very straightforward process, and all you're gonna do is click on clone. That's it. Now similarly, you can repeat this process whenever you need to create copies of existing issues. Say for example, you have backlogs here on your dashboard and you wanted to create more of that information. All you're gonna do is click on it, and then remember the ellipsis right here, click on that and click on create button to finalize the process. And once again, Jira will create the cloned issue and take you to its detailed view. Now in any chance you are having problems with creating an issue here in Jira, because sometimes there's a traffic or a bug or a glitch within the Jira itself, and I am not able to clone successfully a specific issue, in that case you might want to click on the help button here, right? And then obviously you need to ask one of the contact support and tell them that you are having problems cloning a specific issue within your Jira account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.